YouTube, Ray here from Pittwater Mowing. Just up at North Avalon on the northern beaches of Sydney. That's Avalon Beach down here. It's the 1st of July 2016 today. We're in the middle of winter in Australia, but a beautiful day here today. And we're up very high, as you can see. And that's looking west down there, and that water you can see down where the boats are, that's actually Pittwater. That's like a harbour. That's where you can go sailing and whatnot. That's like an enclosed waterway which links up to the ocean. But yeah, and then that's the ocean out there behind me. But yeah, beautiful day, guys. Hope everyone's well. Anyway, we'll get in and do some mowing. Cheers.